Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. ¿Qué tal conta bien? Ana Yuka, Mainariaban. Ariom. Hello everyone, I'm Yuka from Japan. 皆さんこんにちは、Yuka です。Assalamualaikum shabab ubenat. And I'm so sorry for being late to upload another Hiragana lesson for you guys. I believe it's been like 2 weeks, and I hope you guys are doing very well with the Japanese learning. And now I'm back here, and I'd like to share other 5 hiraganas, which is na, ni, nu, ne, no. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So the first letter for today is na. Na. Alright, and how we write is start from here, left to right, 1, 2, top to the bottom, from top to the bottom, and 3 here, 4, make a circle and stop. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next letter for today is ni. Ni. Okay, how to write is start from here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and don't you think this part is very similar to the letter ko? This one and this part, it looks very similar, right? But yeah, that's ko, and this one is ni. Alright, be careful. And the third letter for today is nu. Nu. This letter looks a bit complicated, but okay, so how we write is start from here, 1, 2. This one is a long way, many circle, and full stop. Alright, 1, 2. Okay, and the next letter is ne. Ne. Right, and you might find it like a bit similar to the previous letter, which was nu. So this one is nu, and this one is ne. So because this part is like quite similar, so that can like make you confused a little bit. So just be careful with those letters. And this one is nu, and this one is ne. Right, and how we write is, so start from here, 1 from top to the bottom, and the second one is a bit tricky. Start from here, 1, I mean like 2, now make a circle and stop. Easy. 1, 2. And the last letter for today is no. No. Alright, and how you write? We start from here, 1. That's it, 1. It looks very simple to write it down, but actually it's a bit difficult to make a balance. So you just need to practice it. So you just need practice. Alright, so today's 5 words, where it actually can be like a small test for you guys to see like if you remember the hiragana we've learned from like previous videos, and hope you do remember them. Alright, so this one, yeah, so that's the first letter for today, which is na, and this one, yeah, that's su, so it's nasu. Nasu. And what's nasu? I wish I had this one in my fridge, but unfortunately I don't have, and it's eggplant. Nasu, eggplant. And the next word for today is, that's kani. 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 Right? And what's kani? It is crab. Crab. And if you ever have time to go to Hokkaido, they have so many good restaurants where you can try kani, crabs, and some restaurants is like all you can eat. So with a limited time you can try kani like as much as you want, and it's actually like very, very tasty. I remember when I went to Hokkaido with my parents, like maybe I was 10, 11, I don't know, teenager. We tried kani in Hokkaido, and that was really, really good. Alright, so the next word for today is, do you remember this letter? We learned it like very, very long time ago, like at the beginning. Okay, so that's I, nu, inu, inu. And inu is, you know what it is? Yes, it's dog. Inu, dog. And like this dog, like when I went to Hawaii with my parents, like with my family, my mom, she bought me this. And he's pretty, right? He has a big eyes though. And well, I've heard like in Arabic countries, like you guys don't really have a good image of dogs. But for us Japanese people, we do have like so many good stories with the dogs, and it's always about the like relationships between dogs and the owners. And have you heard of like the movie called Hachi? Yeah, so this is like one of like really, really good story about dogs with his owner, and we have the statue of this dog called Hachi in a Shibuya station in Tokyo. So if you're interested in this dog story, I really recommend you watch this movie. Again, like this movie names Hachi. Alright? And yeah, I do have a dog as well, and hopefully one day I want to show you guys some videos with my dog. So look forward to it. Alright, so the next word is neko. Neko. Now what's neko? Have you seen this character before? It's called Hello Kitty, and this is like a very famous in Japan, and even like some other countries, like so many people love this character. And do you know what animal is it? Yeah, it's a cat. So what's neko is cat. I'm so sorry I didn't have any dolls of cat, but yeah, I would just like to show you to remember. This word is like a neko, and a neko means cat. Alright, neko, cat. Alright, so the last word for today, I've got a word with 4 different letters, and that is ta, no, shi, I, tanoshii. Tanoshii. And tanoshii means fun, enjoyable. Tanoshii, fun, enjoyable. Right? And I really hope my Hiragana lesson is tanoshii for you guys. Alright, so that's all for today, and we'll see you soon. شكرا لكم على المتابعة. مع السلامة.